Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can manage expenses in Brex, so let's get started. If you want to keep your business spending under control, Brex gives you a complete system to track, organize, and manage all your expenses in one place. First, log into your Brex dashboard using your browser. Once you're inside, go to the Expenses or Transaction section. This is where all your business spending is recorded automatically whenever you use your Brex card or make a payment. Now you can start managing expenses by reviewing each transaction. You can click on any expense to see details like date, amount, merchant, and payment method. Next, categorize your expenses properly. For example, you can label them as travel, software, marketing, office supplies, or other business costs. This helps you understand where your money is going and keeps your books organized. Brex also allows you to upload receipts. Simply attach a receipt to each transaction so you have proper documentation for accounting and audits. You can also set spending limits for employees or teams. This helps control budgets and prevents overspending in different departments. Another important feature is real-time tracking. You can monitor all expenses as they happen, which helps you stay on top of cash flow and avoid surprises at the end of the month. If needed, you can generate reports or sync your data with accounting software to make bookkeeping easier and more accurate. And that's it. That's how you can manage expenses in Brex step by step. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.